I posted every day on YouTube for the past 2 weeks, and this is what happened to my YouTube channel. I grew a lot of numbers, from subscribers to watch time to views, and I had one good, or rather say two viral videos, which I'll put on the screen very soon. So one thing that I grew on YouTube when I posted every day for 2 weeks was subscribers. I went from like 307 subscribers to over 440 subscribers when I was filming this video. So go to my channel now, tap my channel link, whatever, or my channel profile, and go to my channel and know how much subscribers I am at currently, right? And then subscribe, because this is how I'm able to grow more numbers on social media, or rather on YouTube. So I posted every day for 2 weeks, and I grew from over 40 watch hours to over 80 watch hours. That means I got 40 new watch hours from just posting every day for 2 weeks. And then what I did, this is actually what I did to able to make multiple videos in one day and then post randomly. What I do is I batch create content. What I mean by batch creating is that in a day I might come up with 4 content ideas using ChatGPT and other places, right? Then what I do is the next day I will execute like 4 of those content. Yes, 4 of those content. Then when I execute it, like when I execute it on a Monday, I'll post it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday. Before the Thursday reaches, I've at least executed like 3 more content ideas, and I've shot that 3 content ideas, right? And that content ideas are for Fridays, Saturdays, and on Sundays. Note, I don't arrange my content. I don't put a content based on my mood, or rather based on what I posted last. So if what I posted last did pretty well, and the content I'm posting next, it doesn't resonate really with that content, I kind of hold it back a little bit till I post a content that relating to that particular content, right? So my content ideas is a bit more analyzed to an extent. That means I watch what I posted last, how well it did before I post the next content. So this is what I've learned so far, right? So the next thing that actually grew on my account was I grew a viral content. I got my first viral video, which got over 600 views, which is like, I'll put it up here, which got over 600 views, and it's still counting currently, which I want you guys to really go and watch that video and let it get up to 1,000 views, and do well to subscribe, because that video was one of those videos that I did out of the blues. I did not script it. I didn't count as my scripting. I don't color one day. I was like, why not talk about how much I made on YouTube, or how much I've made in social media, or since when I started making money on social media, which was when I was 18. And I made that video, and it was pretty long because it was over 10 minutes. And that video did pretty good amount of numbers and got a bunch of subscribers. Like most of you guys watching the video now are coming from that particular video, and I'm so grateful for coming in for that particular video. So another thing I noticed about YouTube was, if you keep posting on YouTube, a lot of features will unlock for you. Let me explain. When I started posting on YouTube, like my first video, which was over a month ago, when I posted that video did well. But it did well because I wanted it to do well. Because I had to carry that video to my WhatsApp, to my Twitter, to my Instagram, to put it out to creators, to other people to watch the video, right? But now I don't even do it again. What I do now on YouTube is I put a content out, I just go away. When I come back, I'm seeing like 10 views or 15 views. Then after like 2 days, 3 days, it picks up and things like that. Another thing I noticed in posting every day for 2 weeks was my videos don't do well in the first 24 hours. Because there's always a myth on social media, or YouTube, or TikTok. If your video doesn't do well for the first 24 hours you post the video will not do well till an external factor is acted upon. It's giving first law of motion, right? But my own video does the opposite. When I post a video today being the 1st of December, for example, I post a video on the 1st of December, my video mostly picks up on the 3rd of December, right? Because that's when I feel like YouTube algorithm goes and picks it up from where it is and be like, okay, let's push it out to more people, right? This is what I learned. Another thing I also learned from posting every day for 2 weeks is that your thumbnail and your title plays a huge role in how good your video will go. Forget about your intro, forget about the quality of your video, forget about the cameras and everything. The thumbnail and the title will play a huge role, because one of my most viral video had over 7,000 impressions, but that video got nothing less than 600 views, which I told you guys to go and watch. Because a video that does over 7,000 impressions, what I mean, people were scrolling on YouTube and they saw it for more than 7,000 times and did not click to watch that particular video because they did not find it interesting. Only 600 of them were able to watch. That's a very small fraction of 7,000, right? If 7,000 of them saw the video on the Explore, and at least 1,000 of them were able to watch the video, it would have done more numbers and got more subscribers. So this is an opportunity for you to like my video, subscribe, and go and watch my previous videos so they can get over 1,000 subscribers. And these are what I learned in over 2 weeks of posting consistently on YouTube. And this is a challenge for you to get your ass on YouTube and start posting every day on YouTube for 2 weeks. I'll go back to my grind. Probably next year, I'll go back to my grind on posting every day on YouTube, and I'll show you guys an after result of that one. So do well to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on another video. And yeah, this is what I learned posting every day on YouTube.